One of the best ways to make money online is short link. There are many sites where you can make money online by short links. These sites pay for every 1,000 viewers. One of the most important tips to increase income in this way is that you make a very good traffic on the links. Today I will show you how you can automatically make money online by short links. Stay with us as the video continues. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. This site allows publishers to shorten any URL and earn income by sharing the shortened URL. Advertising is shown to the viewer on their way to their destination URL. The payment rate is different for each country. Earn per 1,000 views $5, $4.30, $4.01, $4, $3.38, and etc. And other country is $1.05. And to registration you can fill out a simple form from here. Now we can use YouTube to earn money online. The best way to start a YouTube music channel, the audio library YouTube channel, and this is very easy. Just open the Gmail account and then start your YouTube channel. Now I want to show you a great trick by which you can earn great make money online. Once you YouTube launch your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio and then go to audio library. We do the steps. First you choose a music and then you shorten the download link. Now put this link in the description of your video to download. So the more you download, the more your income will increase. My suggestion is to make more short YouTube videos, because the more short video you post, the more views you will get. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.